Hello everyone, it should be March 29th and you guys should be moving on to a new subject, remembering how to fill out a function table. So I'm going to give you an example right now of a function table. Now this is really easy, so I think today you guys might actually have time to either catch up on any work that you haven't finished or to maybe even be able to do some free time and work on work that you're missing in other classes. Get this done. It's really easy. So let's look at this example. And we see an example, y equals 2x plus 3. Now, what do we have to remember? We have to remember that 2x really means, someone shouted out, I know you know it. Someone? I hope someone did. 2x means 2 times x plus 3. Now, I'm going to ask you today on your worksheet to get a separate sheet of paper because you're going to have to show your work for every problem. Yes, Tyson and Luca, I know you're thinking to yourself, I can do this in my head. I don't care. You are going to have to show your work, and that work is going to need to be stapled to your worksheet for you to get credit. Again, you are going to have your work stapled. How do we show our work? We're going to show our work of 2 times, here they tell me x is 2. So I'm going to do 2 times 2 plus 3. And 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. So my y value would be 7. Then I would have to do the same thing of 2 times, this time my x value is 4. So I'm going to do 2 times 4 plus 3. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. That's right. We have 2 more to go. Yes, you have to show your work. We have 2 times 6 plus 3. 2 times 6 is 12 plus 3. 12 plus 3 is 15. So I'm going to write the 15 up here. Then we're going to have, yes, that's right. Nope, not 8. 2 times 8 plus 3, because remember my x is always my x value that I'm substituting in. 2 times 8 is 16, plus 3 is 19. Let's go over another one. Another one is that you're going to have, sometimes they're going to give you f of x. F of x is the same thing as y. If you see on a worksheet it says f of x, it's going to be f of x is the same thing as y. So f of x equals negative 3x. I would write negative 3 times x minus 2. And that would be negative 3 times negative 2 minus 2. Negative 3 times negative 2 would be positive 6. Minus 2 would be positive 4. Then I would have negative 3 times 0 minus 2, which would be 0 minus 2, which is negative 2. Then I would have negative 3 times positive 2 minus 2. Negative 6 minus 2 is negative 8. And 5 would be negative 3 times 5 minus 2. Negative 15 minus 2 is negative 17. You're going to have to follow this. You're going to have to show your work. And on one worksheet, you're actually going to have to graph. Now, we have spent so many times, which is x, which is y. I'm not going to spend time on this video very much. Just remember, your x-axis goes across, your y-axis goes up and down. Good luck, everyone, today. It should be a fairly easy day for you. Have a good one.